Hello everyone. So today on the screen what you are seeing is the picture of the hemocytometer, which is also called as Neubauer chamber. Particularly this is used to do the cell counts. The area what you are seeing here, it is used to count the WBC. To count the WBC on the Neubauer chamber we are having totally 4 areas. This is 1 and this is 2. This is 3 and this is 4. These are the 4 counting areas on the Neubauer chamber where we usually count the WBC. And the center area looks like this. This is the area where we count RBC and platelets. So this is how the Neubauer chamber looks under the microscope. Thank you.